Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove admin from your Facebook Messenger group. So navigate to the Facebook Messenger by clicking on this message icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you have clicked here, you can see the Facebook Messenger has opened. Then navigate to that particular group in which you want to make these changes. So for example, I want to make changes in this particular group right here. Then once you are inside the group chat, simply click on the members button right here. Once you are here, you can see all of the members. Now simply click on the admins button to filter out only those accounts which are currently an admin of this group. Then it will list out all the admins. Now select that admin which you want to remove. So for example, I want to remove this admin right here. Simply click on that particular account and it will give you an option to remove as admin. Simply click this remove as admin option and it will give you a warning that this account will no longer manage the group. They will still be a participant though. If you want to proceed, simply click on this remove button right here, and here you can see that the following account has been removed as an admin from this group. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.